Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News.
Saling bersama mengingat semua punya tuat jumut harga bakal ni kalau harga asal banyak pun nangani konsumsi curah kalau ni pakai MP segala tambah. Good morning, Salensa. We
Money.
have seen the situation here in Kongress working on the election campaign 2024 for the MP. How do you feel for this coming election since you are a candidate from the Congress?
When you talk about the filling, actually, it's the people who need a change, and I want to show the people that we really need the change. So that way, the sub momentum is catching up, and then I feel the people will give the justice.
What is the mission and vision before when you're going for the campaign election?
You see, the whole objective of the Congress is to change the you know some rules which has already been banned by the NDA government. That is one thing, and another thing is that to look after the poor who are very much discriminated from the rights.
We have seen a long 10 years the Congress had not come back to the seat earlier Purno A.Sangma after the NDP, they holding the seat from Tura. How was you feel?
Actually, it's the P.A.Sangma's family who has already betrayed the Congress, not the Congress. So people of Garo Hills has already look upon him, and then maybe they're still looking up upon him. I don't know, but that's why
What is the mission and vision before when you're going for the campaign election?
you see the whole objective of the Congress is to change the you know some rules which has already been banned by the NDA government. That is one thing, and another thing is that to look after the poor who are very much discriminated from the rights.
We have seen a long 10 years the Congress had not come back to the seat earlier Purno A.Sangma after the NDP, they holding the seat from Tura. How was you feel?
Actually, it's the P.A. Sangma's family who has already betrayed the Congress, not the Congress. So people of Garo Hills has already look upon him, and then maybe they're still looking up upon him. I don't know, but that's why if they need a change, definitely they will change.
No, we had seen earlier in Gorus, we have seen right somebody right from first CM from Meghalaya.
Been the top because of the Congress. Congress has showed them the way, lead them the way, and then even in Delhi also because of Congress, the Garo was at the top. Okay, Garo has become the speaker. Garo has become the union minister because of the Congress. Otherwise, other parties they don't look upon the smaller people like us, the tribal. Otherwise, if they had been with the other party, do you think P.S. Sangma would have been the speaker of India? Imagine that.
Can you see the developing during the Congress time with the NPP now in Gorus?
No, I see the same actually. You see all the sanctions which has already sanctioned, like for example MITP road, that was already sanctioned in 2017. You got my point. So all these things are already follow up. Now, for example, when you talk about the PMGSY, it is during the time of Congress only. So already sanctioned in 2017. You got my point. So all these things are already follow up. Now, for example, when you talk about the PMGSY, it is during the time of Congress only. So this is a program. You got it? PMGSY is a program. So you cannot take the credit for that. And then moreover, MITP, that is also sanctioned during the time of Congress, like Mendi Pathar, Ishu Bajong and all. Okay, and even that, all the roads, all the big roads are from the Congress time.
Yes,
And then moreover, that Tura was also sanctioned, that Tura Chanmari Phil was also sanctioned during the Congress time. All these things are sanctioned during the Congress time only.
we welcome regarding of the development like we have seen the road MRGG as you said during Congress time. Now we have seen that, but the main we need but the airport, we need the each schedule, and then we need also how to action the Meghalaya
CAA.
CA and the ILP. Do you agree on that with this?
Can you describe the question
Yeah.
again?
Can you agree? Present government NDA, where they talk about the each schedule,
No, no, no.
the
You
airport.
see, they are not talking about the eighth schedule right now. They don't talk about the airport. They don't talk about lots of things actually, which is genuinely required for the people of Meghalaya. They don't talk about those things. You got it? And then I need not have to tell these things actually. People are seeing what they're promising, what they're talking about. They're just talking about the JJM, which is already programmed by the central government. So, Har Ghar Ko Pani, all those things. You just cannot cheat the people with that. Okay, and then moreover, people of India is giving that particular program for every nook and corner to the people, but yet look at the system that is being corrupted right now. Look at the PMJSY. Look at all the other program. Now, for example, NHM. hmm, you see, now we have sent back around 704 crore to the central government without using it. Why? The sanction was already 1,404 crore, but we are not able to use it. Do you think our government is handicapped to use that genuine money for the people of Meghalaya, for the poor people? And what about the 4,450 crore which was already sent back to the center? How, why we have not used those money? Look at the CAG report. You will see clearly.
Just will come about the international boundary. Because in the girls, they are nearby with the Bangladesh. We have seen the international border, especially probably for commercial trade. Commercial trade. I seen the government have not take care and long very
That's what I'm telling you. It's a joke, actually. Now, for example, now we have seen lots of sugar flying to Bangladesh, but instead of secretly doing that one, trying to smuggle it out, try to do it genuinely. Open the border market so that people of Meghalaya will be benefited out of it. But if only for the few or selected few, if they're doing it, that means they don't have the interest to save the people. I mean, to serve the people of Meghalaya. You get it? If they really wanted to serve the
yeah,
people of Meghalaya, they would have opened it instead of smuggling those sugar to Bangladesh. You get my point.
yeah, yeah.
Why they are not allowing the people of Meghalaya to do the border business? Only selected few.
Look, we have seen also in this campaign. We have seen the BHP they are not putting the candidate. See, they work together to support the MPP. What is the source of your
Actually, you see, NPP itself is a BJP. So why would they put another BJP for that? Simple as that. You got my point. But the people of the Meghalaya are being, you know, are being lied by this BJP. You got that? By the leaders. You get the people of Meghalaya are being lied by the leaders that NPP and BJP was different. But now you have seen open. Now it's the you know NPP who is BJP. That's why the people who doesn't like NPP and the government, now they are angry with them. That's all.
do you think you will win from the seat Pura?
No, unless and until the result is how, I cannot say I will win. But I'm apprising the people about the truth. So if the people want to choose the truth, let it be. If the people doesn't want to, if the people want to remain with the same, let it be. It's the people's choice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank
I'm
you.
Jim.